Hello and welcome to World News 24. I'm Vivek. A shocking and alarming story is coming out of Venezuela, a country in South America. Two powerful earthquakes struck near the capital city of Caracas within just seconds of each other, causing widespread destruction. What makes this event especially unusual is that the first earthquake measured 7.2 in magnitude, and just 39 seconds later, a second and even stronger 7.5 magnitude earthquake hit the region. Scientists are calling this rare phenomenon an earthquake doublet, a sequence of two major earthquakes occurring almost back-to-back. Report: on the evening of June 24, the ground suddenly began shaking across parts of Venezuela. A powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake struck western Venezuela, giving residents little time to react. Just 39 seconds later, a second earthquake measuring 7.5 magnitude hit the area. Following the two major quakes, hundreds of aftershocks were recorded. Buildings collapsed, roads were damaged, and thousands of people were affected. The Venezuelan government has declared a national state of emergency, while rescue and relief operations continue around the clock. Why is this event so rare? Normally, a major earthquake is followed by smaller aftershocks. However, in Venezuela, the second earthquake was even stronger than the first. According to seismologists, the stress released by the first earthquake may have been transferred to a nearby fault line, triggering the second powerful rupture. This is why experts are describing the event as an earthquake doublet. Why was the damage so severe in Caracas? Experts point to four major reasons. The earthquakes were extremely powerful. The quakes occurred relatively close to the Earth's surface. Caracas is built on soft sedimentary soil that amplifies seismic waves. Many buildings in the city are old and vulnerable to strong shaking. Structures weakened by the first earthquake were unable to withstand the second, stronger shock. The science behind the earthquakes. Venezuela lies near the boundary between the Caribbean plate and the South American plate. These tectonic plates move sideways relative to one another, creating stress along fault lines. When that stress is suddenly released, powerful earthquakes occur. Was there a tsunami threat? Because the earthquakes occurred near the Caribbean coast, authorities initially monitored for possible tsunami activity. However, scientists determined that there was no major vertical displacement of the seafloor, which is usually required to generate a destructive tsunami. As a result, no significant tsunami developed. A rare event in earthquake history. Earthquake doublets are extremely uncommon. Similar events have been recorded in the Indian Ocean in 2012, the Kuril Islands in 2006, and Iran in 1997. Now, in 2026, Venezuela has become the latest example of this rare and dangerous seismic phenomenon. Conclusion: rescue and recovery efforts remain underway, and there is hope that emergency teams will continue reaching affected communities quickly. Several countries have already expressed support and offered assistance to Venezuela during this difficult time. What are your thoughts on this rare earthquake event? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this report informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.